The grid is just one of the most valuable tools in 3D, able to do far more than just providing visual alignment aids, from ensuring precise object placement and measurement to its use in snapping. This gridded guide aids in maintaining accurate proportions and scale, and of course more. Whether it's sculpting, terrain or aligning vertices, the grid is an indispensable asset for artists just seeking precision and consistency in their 3D projects. And I think everybody seeks that once in a while. Every day, every moment, every second. The moment you drop precision, you drop on the floor. Despite its many valuable uses, the grid in Blender does have a major flaw in regards to resizing it. All you have is a slider in the viewport. I mean, a slider, seriously. There's no way to put a hotkey to this valuable tool, and setting accurate divisions at small scales, it's just challenging. Would you like things to be challenging? Or you'd rather just have them work instantly, the way they should? Grid Scaler simply adds these three cute little buttons. Cute little buttons, do you see them? It adds them to the viewport. Buttons that can easily be assigned hotkeys, can you believe that? The two buttons on the left, they scale the grid up or down, while the third is used to just reset that. Can you believe you can actually reset to default? By default, the grid is scaled by 2, doubling its size or halving it. And the reset button just defaults the grid scale back to 1 meter increments, scaling all viewports consistently, unlike the default slider, which affected only one at a time. That is just mind-boggling. And I'll give you an example. You're making a map. And now you want to have different sides from where you move around your mesh. As in the XYZ axis, your resizing only worked on the main viewport, and not on the rest, the other viewports. It's just disgusting. But really, these values, of course, can all be changed in the add-on settings, as well as providing a minimum and maximum size, in meters of course. That's all Grid Scaler is here to do. That's all it really needs, doesn't it? To be more than just worth it. From animation to just modeling, to rigging and especially map design, where it just shines. And its ability to cleanly and reliably resize your grid is just now one click away. A tiny script with a huge impact. I mean, what are you waiting for? Just get it. Enjoy the flavor of just having the opportunity to have precision. Because up till now, you had headaches. Big, thick, throbbing headaches. Would you like more? Or keep on not using Grid Scaler?